Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Money with Leo. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to make money with YouTube Shorts and in video, right from your mobile. Are you ready to learn how to make $900 a day using just your phone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage YouTube Shorts and a powerful tool called In Video to create viral videos and earn money, all from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to kickstart your journey and start earning big with short videos. And don't miss the last part. There's a secret bonus at the end of the video that will help you monetize your whole process beyond YouTube ad revenue. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about making money online. There are countless ways to do it, but today, we're focusing on YouTube Shorts and in video. These are two powerful tools that can help you generate income and grow your online presence. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and automation. You can create high-engagement videos using AI tools without even appearing on camera. Sounds amazing, right? So, what are YouTube Shorts? They're short videos, up to 60 seconds long, perfect for quick content and capturing attention. Shorts are all the rage now. They're super engaging and can go viral quickly. Now, why in video? It's a user-friendly video editing tool with tons of templates designed specifically for shorts. You don't need any prior editing experience. In Video makes it easy to create professional-looking videos, saving you time and effort. Let's get into the steps to start making money. First, choose a niche. Find a topic you're passionate about. It could be anything: cooking, fitness, DIY crafts, you name it. The key is to pick something you love and can create content around. Next, create engaging content. Focus on current trends and challenges to capture viewers' interest. Use catchy titles and thumbnails to draw people in. You can use Canva to make catchy thumbnails. Check the description below to get links to all the tools I work with to get this video. Now, let's dive into a hands-on tutorial. I'll show you how to create a captivating travel video using In Video, perfect for YouTube Shorts. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone and search for the ChatGPT app. Download and open the app, and you'll see the main screen. Write a request like, generate a 1,500-word script for a viral video on the best 10 cities to live in the world, and explain why they are the best. Wait for ChatGPT to generate the complete script. Next, open In Video and create a free account. After signing in, choose Script to Video. Copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. Adjust the other options as you want. Then click Continue and generate the video. Wait until the video is completed and download it. Here's the video we generated.
Hey there, world travelers and dreamers. Are you ready to discover the best places to live on our incredible planet? Whether you're looking for cultural hotspots, natural beauty, or top-notch quality of life, these cities have it all. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus city that might just surprise you. Let's dive into the top 10 cities to live in the world. First up, we have Vienna, Austria's crown jewel. Known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and incredible music scene, Vienna is a city that perfectly blends old-world charm with modern convenience.
Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Optimize your videos with keywords in titles and descriptions. And don't forget to use hashtags to boost visibility. This helps more people find your content. To start earning, join the YouTube Partner Program and enable ads on your videos. Tips for success. For long-term success, post consistently. Aim for 3.5 shorts per week. Engage with your audience by responding to comments. Building a community is crucial. And don't forget to analyze your performance using YouTube Analytics to improve your content strategy. Thank you for sticking with us to the very end. As a reward for your dedication, we're excited to share a secret bonus tip that can significantly boost your revenue beyond just YouTube ads. This tip is about leveraging your audience to create a diversified income stream through affiliate marketing. By promoting relevant products or services to your viewers, you can earn commissions on sales, adding another layer of revenue to your channel. Platforms like ClickBank offer a plethora of options to choose from, so you can find products that align with your content and audience interests. Not only does this provide value to your viewers by recommending quality products, but it also helps you grow your earnings in a sustainable and scalable way. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's a powerful way to earn money online. And platforms like ClickBank simplify the process. ClickBank is a marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers, offering a wide range of digital and physical products in various niches, from fitness to technology. As an affiliate marketer on ClickBank, you can join for free, select products you like or are passionate about, and share unique affiliate links through your social media, blog, or YouTube channel. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission, which can be up to 75% of the sale price, depending on the product. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you all. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.